Growing up, my parents loved to have a fire on a cold winter night. It's things like that that I really appreciate. Details that make a house feel more like an actual home. Located on a cul-de-sac street in the Foxwood Knolls neighborhood, 712 Culloden Court offers 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and over 1,800 square feet of living space. This eat-in kitchen functions so well as the heart of the home. You have a huge pantry, a suite of stainless steel appliances, plenty of counter to work with, and still room for a breakfast table. Just off the kitchen, you have access to the backyard and this gorgeous exposed aggregate patio. Now, there are 2 multi-purpose rooms in this house. On the first floor, there's this playroom, but it would also make a fantastic office or den. And then the finished basement is a great bonus room to do with as you please. Seven years ago, I had the privilege of helping the current owners of this home in the process of building it. It's been such a joy to see how they've turned it into a welcoming home. I'm Swab with Piatt Sotheby's International Realty. For more details, please visit 712culloden.com or message me directly for details. Have a good one.